Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to create your private account on Snapchat. And for that we will go to our profile left in the top, tap on the wheel right in the top, and from here scroll down to privacy controls. From here we will go through from the top to the bottom, and we want to check every single option. So see my location, that can be only my friends. Then view my story, just my friends. Contact me, just my friends. See me in quick add, that has to be off. Then if you go further, activity indicator, do that off. Comment settings, manual approve or just auto approve my friends. That you can decide by yourself what you prefer. But these are the most important settings for a private account. So do exactly the same that I did, and then you will create your private account by doing this. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and smash a like, and thanks for watching.